What's up guys, so today I'm going to another video and today's going to be my newest Lego haul. So in this Lego haul I ended up getting the new mosaics that just recently came out. I did order the Joker and the Batman one online, but then I'll end up going to the actual Lego store and they had the BB-8 and the First Order Trooper. So I was able to pick that up, and also I ended up getting my new eBay pickup, and I got something from that auction that I usually been getting Legos from, and that's from Maddie's Minifigures, and I'll have his Instagram down below and I'll let you guys know what item I copped from him. So first things first, here we got that Lego bag. And the first one is this Trooper right here, and it's only 151 pieces, and the First Order Trooper number is 40391, and this is ages 8 and up. Overall, really not bad of a design. I did like the way it looks. I'm definitely going to end up building this, and I might do it in this video, I'm not sure, but if not, you guys will see it in a later video. But I think this is actually a really great piece. The brick sketches, I'm looking forward to the Iron Man ones that are coming out soon. But yeah, I'm really happy I got this one. The next here we got that BB-8, and this is 40431, and it only has 171 pieces. So this one has a little bit more pieces than the First Order Clone Trooper, or the First Order Stormtrooper. But it's really not bad. Pretty nice, well detailed. I'm really gonna probably hang these up in the wall. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it here in my background or maybe just somewhere in my office, but it's pretty nice. I do like the way it looks. It's actually really nice. I'm not sure. Some people may like these, some people may not. Personally, it's a great addition to the collection. Definitely really nice to add to the background. But let's get on to the next thing I got. Alright, so here, this is my eBay pickup that I'm getting not too long ago. I just got this, I believe it was yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what I got. Okay, so this is something that I got in an eBay bid. And I think it was, nobody bid it on it, so I think it was only like $5. And this is like including shipping. So it's really not too bad. So here you got an Anakin with his little lightsaber. It's a really nice little interesting piece, I think. I think it's supposed to, I don't know if it's supposed to make noise or anything, because it looks like there's like a battery or something in here, but not really sure, to be honest. Doesn't seem like the body comes off from it. It's really not a bad piece. It's a nice, maybe the screws there just for show, but I'm gonna definitely probably take them apart just to see if it does anything. But it was a nice little piece for $5. Why not? It's a nice little display piece, so I figured I'd get it. And this one has no face, of course, and I forgot the name of these troopers, I guess you can call them. It comes with a little weapon. Really not too bad little display pieces, honestly. The fact that they come with their own stand is actually pretty cool. Overall, it's really not that bad. This is Anakin from the Clone Trooper version. Pretty nice. This one has back printing. I'll have B-roll shots and just closer shots with these. But overall, really not too bad. Alright, so next I have one of my newest pickup from Maddie's Minifigures. And like I said, I'll put his Instagram down below. He does auctions on Thursdays, and you'll be able to get some good deals on there. You guys probably seen the other stuff I end up getting from my previous videos, but overall he does have some pretty cool deals. Alright, this is the one that I got just one. Alright. So here we got that. Oof, actually really nice. Let's see. So we got this custom Inferno Trooper. Really nice details. Wow, it's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. So this figure actually has arm printing, leg printing. It has printing on the back, and the back of the legs have printing as well. It would have been nice if they included at least a regular Stormtrooper face, but it's really not too bad. I'm really not upset about it. But it's actually, this is a nice piece. I ended up getting this one for 25, I believe it was. 25, I think, is when I got this. Overall, it's really not too bad. I think that's a really nice piece. Also, I have one more thing to show you guys. So you may be wondering why I have these two Funko Pops. You got the Mandalorian and then you got the Childs. So I'm gonna get to that in 1 second. Why do I have these out? But first things first, I'm gonna end up showing you guys my Target pickup. So I ended up getting two figures right here. I'm trying to be pretty loud or not talk too loud because my family's sleeping right now and I don't want to wake my kids up, so I'm gonna end up talking a little bit low but hopefully enough for you guys to hear me. So this end up getting the Avengers Gamerverse Iron Man. This is actually really nice piece. So this is the one that's supposed to come with the buildable piece, supposed to be an Abomination. This is really nice. Got this for normal price at Walmart, Target, for $19.99, so it wasn't too bad. Really looking forward to the Gameverse Iron Man. Nice pickup. Probably gonna unbox him one of these days. I'm not sure. Probably do it in a later video. Maybe one just designated to the builds that I end up getting right now. But hopefully I'll be doing that. But I'll probably be doing that in a later video. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside. Something else I ended up getting was the Marvel Legends Black Widow. So this is the one from the movies is coming out. I think it comes out in November, I believe. And this one's on sale in your local Target. If you guys want to pick this up, I think it was like $9 and like 89 cents or something like that. It ended up coming around after tax like $10, I think it was. I can't remember. But I figured I'll pick this up, right now while, it's still available, because I'm pretty sure when the movie comes out, this is probably going to sell out and people are going to want them. And it may increase the price a little bit, probably not. Definitely a piece I had a cop, especially for the 50% off. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys why I brought these pops. So also while I was at Target, they had this one child pop that I've been looking for. Figured why not get it. It is a little bit big, but let's get it. So here you have that 10-inch Funko Pop. This is the child. The number is 369. This is actually a really big pop. Now, I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about displaying this, so I don't really want to take it out the box until I really find out how I'm gonna display it, just because I don't want to damage it, and his ears are kind of big and I don't want to like scratch or anything. But this is a really nice piece and I'm getting this for $30. I know some people are selling this for probably like, I don't know, over $50, $60, but I was lucky enough to get this for $30 in the store, so I'm actually really glad I was able to do that. Don't forget to check out your local Targets. They've been doing some restocking lately, so it's definitely something to check out when you get the chance. So anyways, let me know if you guys like this kind of stuff. So, comment, like, subscribe to the channel. This channel is going to be a lot of the little figures I end up getting, some of my Lego builds. It's a little bit of everything, basically my hobby, and just to show you guys what I like, and build the Legos that I like, buy the figures I like, buy the pops. It's a little bit of everything that I plan on bringing to you guys in this channel. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, you guys like pops, Marvel Legends, and Star Wars Legos, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next Lego video or pop video. But I'll see you guys next one. Peace.